All right, you guys, what's up? This is a quick little introduction video on how to use the rabbit population gizmo. So what I want you guys to do is first open up your gizmo, launch it from the Explore Learning class page. Once you have it open, it'll look just like this, okay? First thing you want to do is you have to determine the carrying capacity of your rabbits given normal conditions. So we're just going to keep all of our conditions as is. I want you to go to the simulation speed, move it to fast, and then once you're at the fast speed, you're going to go ahead and get started. So you'll hit play. You'll see as it goes over time, you can look at the data that's being collected in the table. You can look on a bar chart. You can look at a graph. We're going to let it run for about 10 years. So I'm going to zoom out on my graph so I can see up to 10 years. And once it gets to 10 years, I'm going to stop it. I'm going to pause it. I just want you guys to get like an idea of how the population's growing and changing over time. So we can see our line went up, 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 up. It's kind of started to level off, but you see it's going up and then down and then up and then down. Let's just make some observations about that. Oh, I think I'm beyond 10 years, so I'm going to pause it. Okay, so right here, just by looking at this, we can see after about right around the 5-year mark, we can see our population started to level off. And you can zoom in a little bit more if you wanted to be more specific. Okay, so right around 5 years, our population kind of started that level off. And you can see the leveling off point is right here. So that means in this given situation with ample land, okay, in normal conditions, our maximum rabbit size is roughly around 400 because you see it goes up to 400, it goes back down, goes back up, goes back down, etc. What you should also notice is that the population size peaks in the first little streak of the year, which you know would be spring. Okay, so spring is clearly whenever the rabbit populations are reproducing. Okay, we can see that on the graph. It's going up, so therefore the rabbits are giving birth to more organisms. And if you were in our class earlier, you know rabbits can actually give birth to 40 babies in 1 year. Holy smokes. That's why that population goes whoop, way up. Okay? So rabbits are populating, and then right here is our summer. So our summer kind of just goes down just a little bit, and then we get to fall, and then we get to winter. And then at winter, you can see there's a drop in our populations. Think about what's happening in the winter. That should give you a reason as to why our populations go down. But then again, springtime, whoop, they go right back up. Okay, we can see that on our graph. So just some basic overall data to get you guys going. If you want to, take a couple minutes now, get familiar with it, play with the different conditions, reset your gizmo, start over, try with a harsh winter, see what happens on your graph, okay? So you can see it occurring over time, you guys. Okay, any questions? If you do have questions, come to the main room and ask.